Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You know why? Because today we're making cookies. I'm gonna show you how to make these dark chocolate oatmeal cookies. They're made with whole wheat flour and totally delicious. So let's get started. After you preheat your oven, get a small bowl and you're going to add in all of your dry ingredients. Starting with half a cup or 60 grams of quick cook oats, 1 cup or 160 grams of whole wheat flour. In here I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and just a pinch of salt. I need a spoon, I need a spoon, I need a spoon. Spoon. Just mix these up right quick. Everything's mingling with each other. We're ready to move on to the wet. Set aside your dry, and in a larger bowl, you are going to add in half a cup or 113 grams of soft butter. And something that I don't use very often, but I think I'm actually gonna start to do it a little bit more often, is 90 grams or half a cup of date sugar. So good, and it has like a caramel kind of a flavor to it. It's great. So I'm just going to get rid of my spoon and blend this with a hand mixer for about 1 minute and 30, 2 minutes. Okay, once you've got a nice, smooth, creamy, buttery, sugary mixture going on, you're gonna add in 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and because they pair so well together, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of the zest of a lemon. Yeah, lemon. The zest of an orange. Thank you, Andre. Good morning. All right, can you see that? Is that good? Yeah, we're gonna add that. And just mix for another minute. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Okay, that is good to go. Time to add in the dry. Super easy. Bring my spoon back, and we're going to incorporate the flour into the wet. I would say about 3/4 of the way. Once it looks like it's almost all good, you're going to add in your dark chocolate chips. All right, we are 3/4 of the way. Let's add in the chips. So what you're looking for is half a cup or 80 grams of the chips. You know what would also be good is to like cut up a dark chocolate bar. That would be great. Have little chunks instead of the chips. That would be awesome. Incorporate these, make sure they're all evenly distributed, and then we'll move on. All right, in front of me, I have a baking sheet lined with a silicone sheet, and the mixing, that took like another 30 seconds, no more than that. I'm just gonna take a little spoon, but if you have one of those ice cream scoops, that's even better. So I've washed my hands, and I'm just going to take a small amount in my hands, roll it together, and plunk it down. This recipe should create about 15. If you got less than that, you're making them too big. Calm down, all right? All right. You don't have to put them too far apart because they're not going to spread a lot, which is great. These are thick boys, and I love it. So great. And they're all ready to go. These are gonna go into the oven, like I said, at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them around the 12-minute mark just to make sure they don't get too brown. Don't these look incredible? They are so good. You've got that pop of orange in there with the dark chocolate. It's so tasty. Give them a go and let me know in the comments below. All right, people, see you in the next video. Bye.